So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a file downloadable by online by others. So what we have to do now is what I have to do is make the link shareable. Make your file that you have uploaded. So in my previous video I told you how to upload the file. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make the file downloadable. I'm going to show you how to make the file downloadable. Okay, my network is back. Sorry for that. So what you have to do is make the link sharing on. Turn on the link sharing. That will be turned on. Next thing you do is copy the link. Successfully copy the link. Now what next? So what you do is go to a site called direct Google Drive direct link generator. So you paste the link and you generate new one. So you enter the link you have copied, then you generate new one. Then you copy your link. That's all for now. So ensure to follow me on Twitter and get a free copy of my free digital marketing book, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel. Help this channel reach up to 1,000 to 2,000 subscribers, please. Thank you. If you find this post helpful, please share this video, and you can also suggest a video we'll do next. So our next video we're going to show you how the list of digital products you can create and how to sell them. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.